How to greet a Vietnamese family. Don't say Các Em. Visiting a Vietnamese family for the first time, don't make mistake as this guy. In Vietnam, using the correct pronouns is the ultimate sign of respect. In this video, I'll show you how to greet everyone from grandparents to little sister. Clear and slow.
Chào các em, anh tới rồi.
Stop. Don't use các em for everyone. Please watch and learn.
Dạ, con chào ông bà. Dạ, con chào hai bác. Dạ, chào anh, chào chị. Anh chào em nha.
À, giỏi. Vô đây con. Vô đây con. Hai anh.
You see, respect is the key in Vietnam. Pronouns change with age. Want to see more social hacks? Please subscribe 5 Minutes Vietnamese.
If you see this video helpful, please like and subscribe to watch more videos.